Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michael. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. I'm going to be jumping back into Python Crash Course Try It Yourself. We are now in chapter 4 and we're starting with 4-1 pizzas. In 4-1 we are asked to think of at least 3 kinds of your favorite pizza. Store these names in a list and then use a for loop to print the name of each pizza. Okay, so we'll have a list called pizzas is equal to a list, right, using brackets. And we'll say we have pepperoni, cheese, and we'll have veggie. All right, we have a list of 3 of our favorite kinds of pizza. We need to now use a for loop to print the name of each pizza. With Python, we can write a for loop like for pizza in pizzas. This will access every value within the list and associate it with the variable pizza at each iteration of the loop. We can just call print pizza directly here, and if we run this, we get all 3 of our pizzas outputted. Next, we need to modify our for loop to print a sentence using the name of the pizza instead of just printing the name of the pizza. For each pizza, you should have one output containing a simple statement like I like pepperoni pizza. So we'll modify this. We'll comment this one out and say for pizza in pizzas, let's print using f-string notation, I love, and we'll insert in here the pizza variable. And we'll say pizza after to finish the sentence. If I go ahead and run this, I love pepperoni pizza, I love cheese pizza, I love veggie pizza. In this example, we had to use f-string syntax to incorporate the variable with an actual string inside of the print. In the first example, we were just calling print without a string in place, just on the actual variable itself. Next, let's add a line at the end of the program outside of the for loop that states how much you like pizza. The output should then consist of 3 or more lines about the kinds of pizza you like, and an additional sentence such as, I really love pizza. Now let's go ahead and outside of the for loop, not nested within like the print statement, but outside of the loop, we will just call a print statement for, I love pizza. Can't you see? And let's go ahead and run this. And boom, you see we get our output of 3 or more lines, 3 lines declaring how much we love this topping or this type of pizza, and 1 final line declaring I love pizza, can't you see? This was just a simple example demonstrating the use of a simple for loop and how we can access variables within a list by looping over that list. All right, that'll be it for 4-1 pizzas. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye guys.